Kahit pa'y nakakulong si Tatay Digong mga kababayan, ay tayo pa rin ang iniisip niya. At nakiusap siya kay VP Inday Sara Duterte mga kababayan na umuwi na ng Pilipinas. Ang sabi po ni Tatay Digong mga kababayan sa kanya ay, Inday, umuwi ka na, wag mong iwan ang Pilipinas. Paulit-ulit itong sinabi ni Tatay Duterte mga kababayan. Panoorin niyo po ha. By the way mga kababayan, nag-English po dito si VP Inday Sara Duterte dahil kabilang sa mga nag-interview sa kanya ay ang mga foreign media.
He repeatedly said, do not leave the country. Do not. When we talked, he as a request, he asked me to go home.
Request ni Tatay Digong mga kababayan, Sara, umuwi ka na.
So, he repeatedly said, do not leave the country.
Huwag mong iwan ang bansa.
Do not leave the Philippines. And so, I told him na, I know, I understand that. And I do not want to be here as well. Unfortunately, I am the only one who has a Schengen visa, and I am the only one who is a lawyer. So I told him that when we are able to meet with the legal team, that I will immediately return home and yes, do my work.
May defense team na po ba si PRRD, ma'am?
Defense team, yes. We already have a lead counsel. And there will be meetings with, we had a meeting with him yesterday. And then we will have a meeting in person when he arrives this week.
Sino siya, ma'am? And how many are there?
Is it Nicholas Kaufman? Okay. Yes, the president already appointed. Yes, the president already appointed Nicholas Kaufman
Akala Nicolas Torre.
as his
Sa rally sa Davao mga kababayan, natawag na supot si Torre.
lawyer.
Ma'am, let me just go back to what he said to you, telling you not to leave the Philippines.
Yeah.
What was the specific concern about it? And if you can also address yung, kasi according to Malacanang, they gave you a travel authority until April 30 in several countries.
Yes.
Ano po kaya yun, ma'am? Ano yung reason for the travel?
My travel.
Yeah.
The moment that I felt that it was an extraordinary rendition, the moment that it was I felt that it was a kidnapping because they were holding him in 250.
Kidnapping.
Which is the air base of the Presidential Airlift Wing. I felt that he will not be able to leave that place, but he will be taken to wherever. At the time, we did not know. So we were preparing for a list of countries where he may be taken. So, and at the time, I did not know how I will be able to enter that country. So we had to apply for travel authority for countries because I did not know how I will be able to travel. Okay.
So, di siya necessarily pupuntahan, VP, or kumbaga, i-complete yung travel up to April 30?
With regard to the date, no. Because at the time, I did not know also how long was I gonna be.
Tinabig na naman niya ang microphone mga kababayan dahil gusto nilang saksak sa bunganga ni VP.
Right.
Was I gonna be? How long was I gonna be? Yes, wherever he is. So we
Siguro ano yun? Foreign media.
applied for until April 30. But it doesn't mean that I will be here until April 30.
Yes.
So I will be here until the legal team is doing their work already and another relative is here.
September pa mga kababayan ay ang next hearing. Paano na yan? After na yan ng eleksyon. Atat na atat, sinugrales daw mga kababayan na ipa-disqualify si PRRD para siya na ang manalo, siya na ang tatayong mayor ng Davao City. Hindi yan mangyayari.
To assist him.
Did he explain his concerns why you shouldn't, leave the Philippines?
He said that, yes, I should immediately go back, just leave him here. But I said, no, I cannot,
No, I cannot.
do that because no one will decide for him outside. So, very limited people have access to him right now. So, I told him that I just have to form that legal team. Then I can work remotely in the Philippines talking to the legal team. And then, yes, so I just need next of kin to come here. And everyone's applying for visa right now.
Pero wala
Baka pupunta si Hanila to si Kitty, mga kababayan.
po siyang fears that it will be taken advantage of your absence?
Well, he did not express fears about taking advantage. Some people or whoever taking advantage of my absence, but he repeatedly said that you must not leave the Philippines. You must go back to your country. You're not supposed to be here. And then I insisted that, yes, I know what I have to do and that I just need to set up something here in The Hague, and then I will immediately go back to the Philippines.
VP, isa po. Any comment po, VP?
What was the disposition po in demeanor of the president when you saw him? And were you able to see po yung detention center, detention area po ni former president?
No, I was not allowed inside his detention area. We met in the visitors area, and the demeanor was, he looked well rested. I asked him that. I said, you look well rested.
At
And then
least, nakapagpahinga na si Tatay Digong, mga kababayan.
said that, well, I don't do anything here except sleep and watch TV because he
Kawawa,
has access to a TV.
At least no, may TV.
And then I also, and then I asked him about the food because I know his preferences for food. And then
Walang tuyo daw dyan, mga kababayan.
he said, yes, well, that's my only complaint is that I really miss Filipino food.
Pinakain lang ng patatas, mga kababayan, sa Tatay Digong. Kawawa.
Specific po?
Kuan man gud na sa Bisaya ba kanang
Bulan.
bulan o kanang sa ganin paksiw.
Gusto na Tatay Digong ng paksiw. Kaso lang, mga kababayan, hindi yan tatanggap ang ICC ng pagkain galing sa labas. Dahil for safety na rin, mga kababayan, baka lagyan ng lason din. Hindi natin kilala kung sinong nagbigay.
Paksiw na isda.
Ayan na muna.
Inununan, yeah. Dili na yung paksiw, inununan.
VP,
Ipadala dyan si Paksiw, si Pacquiao.
VP,
inununan.
any comment po doon sa plano ng mga otoridad na i-raid po yung tahanan ng mga Duterte sa
Oh my
Davao City?
goodness.
Ito ba ay makonsider nyo na part of para pabagsakin ng mga Duterte family?
Yes, I heard about that. The
the
search
raid.
warrant applied for all the houses, all our houses, all the members of
Lahat ng mga houses ng Duterte, mga kababayan, napapabalitan, i-raid.
the family. And
Grabe.
I mentioned to my siblings that you don't have control over this anymore. So I just told them that just secure your valuables. And then
Tapos lagyan ng camera. Paano kung ita-turn off ang camera nila, no? Mga hudas talaga ang senadores.
just allow them to do the search, and then we expect that there will be planted evidence inside the houses. So I told them that we'll just have to face that as well, because that is the template that they did with former Congressman Arnie Teves. It's exactly the same template.
Exactly the same. So kung mga kababayan, kung naniniwala sina VP Inday Sara Duterte na name up si Teves at ipagpalagay natin na talagang inosente si Teves, sino ang totoong gumurgur doon sa kinadigamo, mga kababayan? Malamang yung nag-frame up sa kanya.
So I told them that it's pointless. It's pointless to fight. So just allow it to happen. It doesn't mean that that search is illegal. But then I told them that no one should be hurt. No one should resist. Just allow them to do whatever that is illegal.
Ma'am, any comment po doon sa sinabi ni PCO Yusek Castro na walang kidnapping na nangyari sa lahat po ay may papeles tungkol po sa
Anong papeles pinagsasabi?
Pag-aresto
Fake
kay
news yan.
PRRD.
Well, it was really kidnapping. You see the comments all around the world from experts. Yes. But if you if you talk to lawyers, they call it extraordinary rendition. But for a family member like me, that's kidnapping. That's forcibly taking my father to another country. And
Wala ngang korte dito sa Pilipinas, mga kababayan, na nag-validate man lang doon sa warrant of arrest. Malay mo, hindi yung totoo pagpalagay natin. Kailangan yung validation. At kahit pa valid talaga, mga kababayan, kailangan dumaan sa local court.
illegally arresting him. So that's clearly kidnapping.
Walang medical clearance, ha? So, paano na yan?
Ma'am, mag-apply po ba si PRRD ng interim release?
Interim.
Interim is interim.
That is something that I cannot comment on because it's a legal strategy. So I would leave that to the lawyers if the lawyers would like to talk to the media.
Kaso lang, mga kababayan, kahit interim release yan, hindi siya makakauwi ng Pilipinas. Diyan pa rin sa Netherlands. O, anong masasabi niyo dito, mga kababayan, na kahit nakakulong na sa ICC, tayo pa rin ang iniisip ni PRRD at ayaw niyang iwan tayo ni VP Sara Duterte. Anong masasabi niyo dito? Post your comments below.